Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today. And today, you guys, I am going to teach you how you're going to be able to retire within just a couple of weeks. I want to say 2 weeks to be exact, but it's up to you. And some have been able to retire within just a couple of weeks of starting their digital academy. So I am here to teach you how to do the same exact thing, okay? Because on this channel, we teach all about how digital products and passive income can retire you early, okay? Because we are not leaving our future into anyone's hands. We're taking hold of that future and we are doing what we need to do so that we can live the life that we want to live. In this video, I am going to show you how to automate the sales process on Instagram so that you're able to 10x your sales, 10x your income for your digital academy, and then you guys, you'll be able to go ahead and live the life that you want to live. And please don't tell me that you guys can't do it, because there are some in our community right now who are doing this and they're literally making thousands of dollars. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact way that I have taught them how to do it and that I'm doing it myself, you guys. So let's jump right into this, because when I tell you guys, this is the way to your freedom. This is the way that you're going to be able to retire yourself. And I teach you guys how to do this with my course, with my digital academy, okay? So the digital academy is going to teach you how to make your own digital academy. You can do this for your business or for the business that you're about to have once you take the course, because it covers all of that: how to create your products, how to market and sell them right here on social media. So what I want you guys to do is click the link in the bio. You guys, that is going to be the link to the course that is going to show you how to do this step by step, okay? And if you need any more help, what I want you to do is click the link in the bio and get a one-on-one. Actually, my one-on-ones are not just one-on-one sessions, you guys. Those are three-hour sessions that is going to help you create those products, show you how to structure your business, and then show you how to 10x your sales on social media. So that is what is included with the one-on-one marketing sessions. The link for that will be below as well. But you guys, let's get into this, because I don't want to waste any more time, because when I tell you, I want to help you guys to get your freedom back. I want to help you guys to really live the life that you want to live, go the places that you want to go, you guys. And if you're like me, just pick up, travel, and do what you feel like doing, okay? You guys, that is what we're going to do. But let's get into the inspiration of the day. You guys, the inspiration of the day is God will not allow you to fail. In the Bible, God promises us if we be faithful, He will not allow us to fail in any aspect of our life, not even our businesses. So what are we waiting for, you guys? Let's jump into our businesses. Let's be alive in our lives. So that is what we're going to do today, okay? So what I want you guys to put in the comment section is that God will not allow me to fail. These 24 hours I am going to use of service to Him, and I am going to use of service to myself to make my business blossom, okay? So you guys, go ahead, type that into the comment section, like, share, and subscribe, you guys. And then let's get into the shout out of the day, you guys. I have one huge shout out, you guys, and it is Ricky, you guys. Ricky is a truck driver, and he started his digital academy over a week ago, you guys. He has already started to make thousands of dollars. In fact, he made over $35,000 teaching others how to come into the trucking business. And you guys, I am so proud of him. Ricky, You got your flowers, babe. And then you guys, we have Sharonda. Sharonda, you guys, is a CNA, okay? She's a CNA, you guys. And she is now teaching other women or other people how to pass the CNA test in their area. So you guys, I'm so proud of you guys. Keep it up, keep on going, you guys. And like I said, you are steps away from retirement, and I am so proud and happy to be on this journey with you. So you guys, let's go right into the video. I am going to show you the software that I use for my business, for my digital marketing business, and this is the software that you're able to use as well. And like I said, you guys, all of this is going to be covered in the course. So you're going to learn how to create your own digital product and course for your business. Or you guys, if you don't have a digital product, click the Rich Girls Don't Work, because your products are already in there for you. So if you have a business, you're going to pick up the Sam's Digital Marketing Academy. If you do not have a business, you are going to go ahead and you're going to pick up the Rich Girls Don't Work, where your products are already included. So if you're doing the Sam's Digital Academy, use the code TAKE25. Get yourself 25% off of that, because you guys, I want you to start your digital academies right now. I want you to learn, I want you to grow, and I really want you guys to experience freedom. Freedom of not having to go to work, freedom to teach people, freedom to be fulfilled, you guys. So let's get into this right now, you guys. Let's go. All right, you guys. So the software that we're using today is ManyChat. And the reason why we're using ManyChat, you guys, is because on your Instagram, when people want to come purchase your product, but you have so many comments, you cannot get to them all. ManyChat is going to automate your response. They are actually going to send your links of your products, send the links to your digital academy straight to that customer, so that they are able to go ahead and purchase without you having to be there. And that is such a wonderful thing to do, you guys, because like I said, when you have your sales on automation, you can make more sales, and you don't necessarily have to be there to talk to that person. You literally can allow ManyChat to go ahead and do all of the work for you. So what we're going to do, you guys, we are going to log in, and I'm going to show you how this technology works. And it has been such a boom to my business, because you guys, my comment sections are literally like blown up. My DMs are blown up. There is no way that I could possibly get to each and every client to go ahead and talk to them about my product. And that is where ManyChat comes in and they do the work. So let's get started so I can show you guys how to do it, okay? But before we get started on that, you guys, I'm going to show you the post, okay? So this is one of the posts that I teach you guys how to make in my course, okay? This one has quite a few comments, you guys, and they are ready to learn. They are ready to go ahead and use my product, you guys. And as you can see, I was not with ManyChat, you guys, so these went unanswered. That is such a bad thing to do in your business. If people want to come and purchase from you, you need to be able to directly respond to them very quickly, okay? And I teach you guys in the course how to go ahead and how to set up videos just like this, you guys. So I said comment how, and I will teach you. And you guys, I got such an overwhelming response, but I was not able to talk to every single one of them. So on this video, you guys, I missed out on a lot of money. I don't want that to happen to you, so that's why we're going to learn how to do this from ManyChat, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do, you guys, is when you're at ManyChat, you are going to press get started, okay? When you press get started, you guys, you are going to link either your Instagram or your Facebook, your WhatsApp, or your Telegram. I suggest linking your Instagram to it, okay? Because when you're linking your Instagram to it, this is the page that most people come to when they want to learn something or when they want to purchase from you, all right? So what you're going to do is you're going to link your Instagram, And you guys, mine has already been linked, okay? And all you have to do is literally, it's that simple and it's that easy, okay? So what you're gonna do, you guys, is once you get there, you can click the Pro Edition, but they're gonna give you a 14-day file, okay? They're gonna give you a 14-day file. So you can click the Pro Edition, or you could just try it out and see how it works. But I'm here to tell you, I love ManyChat, okay? This is the best automation tool that you can use to automate your replies and basically be able to 10x that income. All right, so what we're gonna do is, you guys, we are gonna set up an automation right here on ManyChat. So they give you ready to go templates, and these templates are based upon what you want the outline to be. So if you want to convert your Instagram comments into sales, you can pick this one. If you want to use Instagram stories to generate more leads, you can do that. If you want to show off a new website, you can do that. If you want to go ahead and build an email list or redirect customers to your YouTube, you can do that. But you guys, I like to start from scratch. So this is how I'm going to do it. So basically, this is the trigger. Like I showed you guys in the Instagram, you guys, I said comment how, and I am going to send you the information. That how was a trigger word. So you can put, what's your trigger, okay? And my trigger is going to be when a user comments on my reels, or when you say reply to this story, this keyword, or you can say when a user said reply to this message, this keyword. It does not matter. I like when they reply right under that post, so that it's able to drive traffic to my site, okay? So it says, which post or reel do you want to use in automation? So you can pick any one of them, or if you're like me, you guys, I pick all post and reel. And you guys, I can pick any word. You can pick any keyword. So one of the keywords that I like to use is how. Another one is, and I want to do lowercase and uppercase, okay? So just in case they do lowercase, just in case they comment uppercase, you still want them to be able to comment anyway so that they can get your information. Then you're also able to add other keywords. So another keyword I will use, and I love to use, is learn, okay? Or I'm ready. Okay, so these are the keywords that I am going to put into my Instagram post. So when they want more information, all they have to do is comment, and boom, they're going to get my direct link, okay? So if you wanted to go ahead and choose, if you wanted to go ahead and personalize that comment, you're able to do it, okay? Now we're gonna click continue, okay? Now, would you like to set up public reply in the feeds? So you could do that if you want to. I am going to say hold off on that, you guys, because these are bots, okay? And if Instagram feels like your account is being ran by a bot, they will ban you, okay? So we don't want to do that, you guys. So I am going to click no on this, you guys, and then boom, I have set up my trigger, okay? Now it is saved and it is working, you guys. So now whenever someone comments under any of the posts that I have moving forward, I am going to be able to send them my direct link for my products so that they are able to go ahead and either purchase or learn more about it. This is such a wonderful tool that you can use to 10x that income without you having to do any additional work. So I am going to say definitely implement this. And like I said, you guys, I have a full step-by-step tutorial in the course, okay? So you guys use this to your advantage. Like I said, the links to all of my courses and products will be below. I have the one-on-one session. If you need more help, go ahead and reach out to me for a one-on-one. And you guys, it's not just a one-on-one, it's going to be 3 one-on-ones, okay? And I am going to sit there and I am going to basically build this academy with you and teach you how to go ahead and 10x your sales, 10x your sales and 10x your income, okay? Now, if you are a business, you are going to go to Sam's Digital Academy, where I am going to teach you how you can create your own products, and I'm going to teach you how to 10x those sales, okay? Because I want you guys to be able to retire. But if you do not have a business, if you're not a business owner, I still want you to be able to get into it, you guys. So use the Rich Girls Don't Work course. The Rich Girls Don't Work course, you guys, that is going to teach you how to market on social media, and you're also going to get all of your products. Also, you guys, with the Rich Girls Don't Work course, you're going to get your pre-made reels, okay? Because literally, I want you guys to start this today. You can literally be retired in 2 weeks using my products, you guys, and just doing what you need to do. All you have to bring with you guys is the will to learn, and Sam is going to teach you exactly how to do it, you guys. So like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. And like I said before, all of those products are linked below. Go get them, go start your journey, go do what you need to do so that you can have freedom of your time and freedom of your income, okay? The links will be below. See you guys. Bye.